Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw earnings from Stripe dashboard in the USA step by step clearly. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your earnings and transactions. Click on the balance section, typically found in the left-hand menu. In the balance section, you will see your available funds. Locate the Payouts tab within this section. Click on the Payouts tab to view details of your earnings. Here, you can see a list of your recent payouts and their status. Check the balance available for withdrawal to ensure it meets your payout thresholds. If you are ready to withdraw, look for the Payout button. Click on the Payout button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount and confirm the transaction. After confirming, you may need to choose a linked bank account for the payout. Select the appropriate bank account from the drop-down menu. Review the payout details to ensure all information is correct. Once you've verified everything, click on the Confirm Payout button. You will receive a notification confirming that your payout has been initiated. Payout processing times may vary, so keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer. You can return to the Payouts tab to monitor the status of your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, consult the support section of the Stripe dashboard for assistance. Your earnings will be safely transferred to your chosen bank account shortly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.